how to join a game in REPO. So here's how this works. First, a person needs to host a game, so we're just gonna host a new game here. I'm gonna load the save file like this, and what we want to do is once the game file has been loaded, they will have to click on invite, then their profile icon, and right click on the join game button here and copy link address. Now this is going to generate a link address, and here if you want to join a game, I'll just go search for Discord REPO. You need to go into the REPO find group channel, and you will see these links here that people are pasting. So you just want to copy one of those links like so, like that, and you want to paste them, and this is going to ask to open up Steam, and if you open up Steam, this is going to join the specific REPO game, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.